Hello, we're back.
Yeah.
This time we'll do something different.
Yeah, we're
gonna
gonna do a race.
Yeah, races to the finals.
Wait, how are we supposed to do the race when we need something?
Just hold the camera and show them the trophy. Okay? Hold the camera. This is.
Wait. First, I want to show them our cute little hamsters. Yeah, they're right here. Look. See them? They're cute.
Okay, let's see. Okay, good. We got everything. Okay, we're gonna go for the finals first. First, we got these two. Okay. Okay. Put them. Okay. You got one 3 times.
Okay.
3 points. Okay. Okay.
Let's see that.
1, 2, and 3. So, okay.
One person at a time. Whoever gets stuck loses. Whoever makes. Oh, he's first. He's first.
So he gets 1 point. He gets 1 point.
Gets 0.
Okay.
The first person to go first. Oh, he's the first one.
1 point for him.
Oh, who might win? I'm going for the blue card.
Oh, stop again.
I'm going for a blue one. Dang
2
it!
points for him.
No.
2 points for him.
Blue, come on, you gotta win. Dang it! No.
He won. Orange or red? He won. And he goes for the finals for this cup. Well, guys, I think it's gonna be for it. We're gonna do more parts of it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. There's gonna be more of these parts, okay? I'm gonna tell you this one last person. They're gonna be
Boom.
Okay, they're gonna be one winner.
Yeah.
Signing off. Goodbye.